Of course, the bombing has a lot of us wondering about our safety.
Absolutely. And today, Fox 42's Melina Mathis caught up with the Omaha Police Department's bomb squad and found out what they do to keep us safe.
The Omaha Police Department's bomb squad works around the clock to ensure our safety. They spend hours training, most often at Omaha's Eppley Airfield, searching the luggage, sniffing for trouble. They say they train their canines to be alert and always on guard, but they add that they can't do it all on their own. They need your help.
You see something, say something. It's a very important thing that we try to point out to everybody. You see something suspicious, say something to call 911, contact law enforcement, contact security personnel.
And when they aren't at the airport, they're practicing for the worst.
These are training aids that we've constructed, things that we get like inert looking type explosives that we can turn around and construct a training aid.
He says they build the devices as realistic as possible.
I mean, that's the key, is to train as realistically as you can, so that way when we do encounter things, we know what we're doing.
And when they do come across a real bomb, oftentimes they send in a robot. But he says when they can't get to a bomb, they have to suit up.
This is the bomb response suit. This is a suit that a bomb technician would have to put on when going down and work on a problem.
This jacket is extremely heavy. Alone, it weighs about 60 pounds. The entire suit is approximately 100 pounds. And for an officer wearing it, dealing with a bomb, it's very cumbersome with the minute details they deal with.
A lot of the specialized units that we have, we train constantly. And so we train for what we hope is inevitably the thing that never comes.
For those concerned about future events in Omaha, he says there's no need to worry.
The safety measures that we have in place right now when Omaha hosts or a special event comes into Omaha, I think that they're fantastic. I mean, we've done our homework, we've done our research, and we know what we're doing. And I think those safety precautions are going to stay the way they are, and I think that they're going to keep the public very safe.
Melina Mathis,